Number 206, Mr. Francisco bought garments at Divisoria for 22,000 pesos. If he sold them all and grossed 29,700 pesos, how much profit did he make? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer first. So here are the choices: 35, 25, 15, 30, and 20%. Okay? So we just use the formula for profit. So the formula for profit is just we subtract the gross sales minus the cost. Okay, so since the choices are in percent, so to get the percent of profit, so we just divide the profit divided by the cost. Okay? So solve first the profit. So we just use P. Gross is 29,700 pesos. So 29,700 minus the cost, which is 22,000. So subtract this. The profit is equal to, so 29,700 minus 22,000. So that is equal to 7,700 pesos. So percent profit, so just divide. So percent profit is equal to the profit, 7,700 divided by the cost, which is 22,000. Okay? So just convert this to percents or divide this manually. So we can cancel the two zeros. Okay, so therefore we have 7 divided by 220. And then we just divide manually. So 77 divided by 220. So let's add two zeros. Okay, and then put the decimal here. And then, so look for the choices, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. So 77 divided by 220, so that is 0. So we get the 3 digits, 770 divided by 220, so that is equal to 3. 3 times 220, so we have 660, and then subtract, we have 0, 7 minus 6 is 1, another 1. So 110, bring down the next 0, 1,100 divided by 220, that is 5. So 5 times 220, that is equal to, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, so we have 11. So subtract, we have 0. So therefore, the answer in decimal, so in decimal, we have 0.35, and in percent, that is equal to 35%. So the correct answer is letter A, 35%. Follow for more. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? i-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.